Hello students, in today's session we are going to start chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, class 8. So, as we know about the quadrilaterals, so in this chapter we learn more about the quadrilaterals. So let's begin with this. When we join a number of points without lifting a pencil or without lifting the tip of pencil, and the continuous drawing is known as our curve, as we know that the figure obtained by drawing without lifting the tip of pencil is a curve like this, as we are observing in this figure. How we identify that shape is a, or that given figure is a curve? So identify the curve is that the line bends and changes its direction at least once. Okay. Now we have some types of curves. So they are classified into different types of categories. So let's take the types. Simple curve. So a simple curve that changes its direction but it does not intersect itself, that is the simple curve. Maybe open or close both, but that curve will not intersect itself. And non-simple curves are that curves that crosses the path, that means they cross itself. So here by this image we can understand this is the open and simple curve, whereas the second is closed but it is simple curve. Here these two figures are the non-simple curves, as they are intersecting itself. This curve, it is intersecting here itself, and this is also a curve, that line which intersect itself. So this is not a simple curve but it is open, and this is not simple but closed curve. Similarly we have open curve. So the curve that has two end points, and when it does not enclose the area within itself, that is open. So we can understand that the curve which has two end points and the two end points are not joined, that O is known as open curve. Similarly closed curve, that is closed in all its end points. So a curve has no end point. So by the observing closed curve we cannot understand from where the curve is starting and where is it is ending. The type of curve is formed by joining the two end points of the open curve. So the examples of closed curves are, we can give very easily, that a circle. So open curves are like this, where the two end points are there, we can observe easily both the ends are not joined, whereas in the closed curve no end points are here, that means all the points are joined each other. So this is the closed curve. So here we can identify these all figures are simple curves and these all are not simple, and this is the closed curve, this is simple closed curve. Now here the example in this figure, the three images are shown here, they are the closed curve made of line segments and curved lines. Okay. Similarly one more example is there, examples that are closed but they are made of only curved lines. So can you tell that a line segment is a curve? Yes. A line segment is also known as a curve, because when we draw a line, we do not lift the pencil. Continuation in continuation we draw a line segment. So we are not lifting the tip of pencil from the paper. That is, a line segment is also a curve. So these are the curves, closed curves in this, made by joining curved lines and with line segments in this, only curved lines.